Welcome to the new Tasker application design tutorial. As you'll see, there are quite a few changes, and all of them were designed to help you use Tasker in the easiest and most convenient way. Don't get lost in your tasks. We categorize the filters for you to make sure you'll find the task by its status, type, or date. You can mix these filters by using multi-select or use only one, the most accurate for you. For example, Today filter will make sure you see all the tasks planned for today. Inactive filter will let you know how many pending inactive tasks you have that are waiting for your attention. The renewed tasks list displays main task information with its status icon. Search is also available to help you find a task by its number or title. Creating a customer, object, or responsible person has never been so easy. If you have permissions granted from your administrator, now you can find all these segments in different sections. Just select the customer or object or responsible person and click the plus icon on the right corner. When required information is filled, created entries will appear in the list immediately. Unassigned Task filter shows all tasks that you do not have an assigned user. You can always assign a task to yourself by simply clicking on it. You can download the completed task PDF report to your computer or view task summary. What is more, a new app design lets you go inside the task and view all the added information, even if the task is already completed.